these moments. I used to shine, hits what you make from the dirt. Here's to everybody who said I could never work in this game. With fame comes money at last, and you wonder why I want the chance to get put on like underpants. Cause right now I feel like an ant, small as I'm crawling and pondering what people will remember me as. Will I be great? Will I be good? Always tried as best as I could, but I can be better, make a name and last forever. Stay sharp like a broken piece of glass or metal. It's not coincidental, what I say is influential to the people listening to me spit on this instrumental. But I think that is metal, coming at me, putting the beat and laying me on top of what I said before I was substantial. Think of my legacy, what will be my destiny? I haven't even started.